Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Sincerely Jacqueline. Today I have 3 awesome DIY projects for you, and these are all in the floral theme, and most of the items that I used can be found at the dollar store or the Dollar Tree. I hope you enjoy this DIY. For our first DIY, we are making some faux floral branches. We are just going to turn these faux branches that I got at the Dollar Tree that don't look so great, that don't look so real, and I'm hoping to turn them into something that looks a little bit more realistic by finding branches from my backyard and incorporating it into this DIY. So the DIY, you're going to need some faux branches, you're going to need faux flowers, and you're also going to need some branches from outside. And I'm just removing the flowers. Next, you just want to figure out placement of your flowers, and then you just want to glue them down. And there you have it, guys. Some really cheap floral branches that only cost me about $2 to make in total. So the next DIY is this really pretty floral frame using paper flowers. Now I got these paper flowers at my local dollar store. Here in Canada, we have one called Dollarama, and it came with some really pretty paper flowers in different sizes and colors. I also am using this frame that I found at Dollarama as well, and it was about $2. Now, if you don't have a Dollarama in your area, you can always try the Dollar Tree. They also sell faux flowers. This DIY is really, really simple. What you are going to want to do is separate the flowers from the wire bases. You also want to deconstruct the frame by taking it apart. Then you want to place your flowers down and simply glue them down. And then you just want to put together the frame again by placing your florals in the flame, and there you have it. This is a simple DIY that looks super chic. The last DIY is inspired by a lot of mirrors that I've seen in Anthropology and some of those really expensive stores. And so what you're going to want to use is your paper flowers again. I'm using 2 different sizes. You can also use faux flowers as well, so you don't have to use paper flowers. You're going to also need a frame and some gold spray paint. And you're also going to want to use these circular ribbon that I found at the Dollar Tree. So you want to figure out placement of your florals. And you also want to figure out placement of your ribbon. And these are like gold buttons that I found at the Dollar Tree. So I'm just cutting them to size. Next, you want to glue this ribbon in place, and what we're doing is creating a really pretty border around our picture frame, just adding more texture. Next, I spray painted my picture frame, and I also spray painted my paper flowers as well, gold. Next, I'm just gluing my florals onto my picture frame. Now you can do it any type of design you want. Initially, I was going to do florals in all 4 corners, but I decided to focus on the top of the frame. What I also did is once I glued the florals together with picture frame, I also went back and spray painted it gold just to make sure I didn't miss anything. In order to make this look more expensive and have more dimension, I decided to take some brown shoe polish and add it to my frame to add some texture, make it look a little old. But you can also use brown paint or black paint if you'd like. I only had shoe polish at home. Once you're finished doing that and the shoe polish has dried, next I wanted to figure out what I wanted to use this frame as. Initially I thought I wanted a picture frame, but I ended up taking the back of the picture frame and spray painting it black, creating a chalkboard effect. Next, I took some chalk and I applied it to the black backing, and then I added a message onto my chalkboard backing and put together the frame again. And I have this really pretty chalkboard frame that you can change anytime you want. You can choose to keep the glass front on top or take it out. I chose to keep the glass front, and there you have it. You can also do this with the mirror, or you can leave the center open and put your favorite picture in. But I think it came out so wonderful. So guys, there you have it, 3 DIYs that were easy to make using dollar store or Dollar Tree items. I hope that you like this DIY, and please let me know in the comment box which one was your favorite. And if you do like what you see, please hit the subscribe button so you can see more videos. Also hit the notification button so that you're notified when I release my next video. Lastly, please visit my Instagram at sincerelymissj or my website at www.sincerelymissj.com for more information on some of the DIYs that you've seen. I am hoping to continue to release some videos. It has just been so busy here, but I hope to give you some more exciting DIYs, and I have a few special makeovers happening, so please stay tuned and come back to see me. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.